नमस्ते बच्चों, हमेशा खुश रहो। माई सेल्फ जीवन डॉक्टर मोनिका त्रिवेदी. Today's topic is reduction of hydrocarbon. First, we have to learn about the reduction of the alkenes. Okay, so the alkene has to catalyze by the catalytic hydrogenation. Okay, so the catalytic hydrogenation is one of the most convenient method for the reduction of the alkene. The method started with the substance with the catalyst in a soluble solvent in atmospheric hydrogen. This kind of catalyst, the catalytic hydrogenation can be classified into further two categories like heterogeneous hydrolysis and heterogeneous hydrolysis first, and second is homogeneous hydrolysis. Okay, so first we have to learn about the heterogeneous hydrolysis. So what happened in a heterogeneous hydrolysis? The number of hydrogenesis catalysts have been used for the catalytic hydrogenation method. In this kind of method, the transition metal catalysts like rubidium, platinum, and palladium are the most common absorbed on the solid surface. Okay, so support, we have to use the support as a support is a carbon or aluminium. Okay, so the catalytic reduction takes place between the gaseous hydrogen and the organic compound. Okay, the reduction takes place at the surface of the catalyst, which absorb the both hydrogen and the organic compound, and the facilities are there contact. Okay, the transfer of the hydrogen takes place from the catalyst to the molecule, resulting in this scheme. You can see here, this is the surface of any catalyst where the H2 is absorbed. Okay, in presence of alkene, the adsorption takes place on the surface of the catalyst. Now the addition reaction, what happened? This 2 mole of hydrogen here, this alkene is here. Okay. Now in addition reaction, what happened? The one hydrogen which is absorbed by the surface of the catalyst will reduce the will combine with the alkene. Okay, and in another, the half hydrogenation, in another addition, the final product we have there with the two extra hydrogen in the presence of the catalyst. Okay, so this is the homogeneous catalyst, and you can see the another example, the alkene in presence of 2 mole of H2 and 1 most atmospheric pressure in presence of palladium. The alkene bond is reduced and the 2 mole of hydrogen are added. Now this is the same this is the this is the cis, and this is the trans addition of alkene. Okay, so next is in a double bond of benzene. The double bond of the benzene is reduced in presence of 2 mole of the H2 and the palladium catalyst. Okay, so this kind of addition is a syn addition. It may be explained because the trans reactant made the trans product and cis reactant made the cis product. Okay, now in this example you can see here the two double bond over here, but if we use the H2 2 mole of H2 and in presence of PtO2, only the outer chain double bond is reduced, but in a the double bond present in a ring is not reduced. Okay, in this case, in this kind of case, the degree of substitution of the double bond is a very much important has a very important role, because the selection of the reduction of the double bond in a molecule which contain the more than one double bond, okay, is dependent on the position of the double bond. Okay, now another example you can see here, the CH2 presence over here, the addition of the hydrogen on the both side, and this kind of reduction is performed. So here you can see the another example, the addition of double bond, the addition of hydrogen on double bond, the addition of hydrogen on double bond, the addition of hydrogen on double bond. This is the simple process of the hydrogen addition. Okay, next is a homogeneous hydrogenation. What happen in a like a Wilkinson catalyst is very much used in this kind of homogeneous catalysis process of the alkene. Okay, so these catalysts, this catalyst is soluble in a solution such as a methyl alcohol or ethyl alcohol. The addition of the halogen to the red solution of the catalyst promote the formation of the yellow complex, which is denoted as A. The formation of A takes place by the oxidative addition of the hydrogen and the bulky phosphine ligand from the metal. So this kind of dissociation of the phosphine ligand opens a coordination site for the alkene to attach to its metal. So in the next step, the mechanism involves the addition of the metal hydrogen bond across the coordinated alkene to form a complex B. Both H and ruhedium are added a syn function to the alkene. Finally, we reduce and we will find the product. You can see here the scheme of this is the Wilkinson catalyst. The H2 is here. On a Wilkinson catalyst, the addition of one hydrogen or 2 mole of hydrogen here. Now the from 3 ppH3 ligand, 1 mole of ppH3 ligand is removed and we will get the product like this. Okay, now the another alkene is added to this kind of catalyst. Now the hydrogen present on the Wilkinson catalyst will react with the one carbon present on the alkene, and the ruhedium present in a Wilkinson catalyst will react with the another carbon of the reagent. Okay, now what happened in the reaction? This is the complex form, and by the cleavage you will get the hydrogen will shifted here and you will get the product here. Okay, so this kind of reaction is a syn addition. Okay, you can see in another example the double bond present over here is reduced in presence of deuterium, do 2 mole of the deuterium, and also you can see here the double bond present in carbon-carbon bond is reduced by this is the syn addition, because if the cis product the cis reactant react with the catalyst, it will give the cis product, and this trans reactant react with the catalyst, it will give the trans product. Okay, so in another example you can see here the addition of hydrogen on the double bond present on the cyclic compound, and in a proposition of the H double bond in this side chain reaction. Okay, so this is all about the reduction of alkenes. Thank you very much.